Alrighty, welcome to this lecture. Let's add some fur on the tail. Same process. Select our model, go to the particle system properties tab and click the plus sign to add a particle system. Double tap to rename, if I can double tap in my life. There we go. Tail, and then Ctrl A to select and copy. And just paste it over here. Press enter, go back to the modifiers, same process again. Paste over here, press enter, close that. Go back to the particle systems, change this to here, which goes crazy. It's fine. Go down to vertex groups and choose tail fur. You should be familiar about this right now. Tail fur and the length. Leave that, go back to the emission. Number of hairs. Pretty much fine. The length is crazy, 0.2. Yeah, not really. Almost, not really. 0.4. Oh my word, that went crazy. Let's say 0.3. Yep, that's about it. And go to the rendering is fine. We do that later. And these numbers are very, say 500, and go back to particle edit. Use a comb brush, the very high brush, and just drag it. Oh my boy, no, don't do that, Adrian. Just drag that like so. Coming on all sides. I'm just trying my very best to decrease the brush size, making sure I'm making this straight as I possibly can at this stage. And then come back to the lint brush. I'm gonna shrink this from here. Make it way shorter. Ooh, I made a mistake there, but we'll come back for that in a bit. Should I shrink this from this very end, making them way shorter because we can, just giving it that look. Coming back, lint brush. I'll probably add some hair over here. Click the add brush. Number of steps, keys, count to 10. That's too much. 2 is fine. Click the plus sign, and it goes crazy. Make sure interpolate is turned on so it will follow the flow. And over here, and over here. Thank you. Grab back to the comb brush, fix this mistake, a rookie mistake, and on the side I say, and coming from the bottom side. Yep, looks about right. Grab the lint brush again, decrease these guys, make them way shorter than this. Come on, just grab this guy. Just decreasing that lint. And over here, it's a bit laggy. I don't know. Probably just hide the other fur. the legs and so forth, so I can basically see this in more detail. Now it's performing. Like so, and the bottom here. And then I'm gonna grab the puff brush and just puff these guys. And over here, so just over there. Then grab the comb brush again and just give it some shape. Just picking that up like a teardrop shape, if that makes sense. Push these back inwards. Like so. And just mix and match. Something around these lines. Grab the lint brush. I'm not too happy with this lint over here and over here, but overall looks great. Try add some here where it's not going properly. Good luck on that. Cool. Now we have a basic tail. Go back to object mode, and here we go. If you add children, interpolate, there we go. We have our tail model. Sweet. We can increase the length as we go along, but in this case it looks fine with me. Can come back to particle edit, grab the lint brush, change it to grow, increase the brush size, and just increase the length. It's a little bit too short. Ooh, that's nice. Go back to object mode. Yep. That's looking very cool. And again, thank you guys for your time. See you guys in the next one.